Hello guys, BRICKARMORY here with a new gun, and this time around I've built an AKS74U, which is essentially a smaller AK-47. It has a shorter handguard, shorter barrel, folding stock as you can see, and it makes for an overall really compact gun. The gun features a folding stock, as you can see right here. Now you can lock it into place with this pin, like that. It has a moving trigger, a working mag release, a moving bolt, which has actual springs inside, as you can see right there. The safety moves. It's non-functional. I'm sorry guys, couldn't get it to work. It's fully field strippable. It has some a neat side picture. The rear side right there and the front side right there. And it has an accessory rail right here, which has some amazing or cool accessories. For instance, this Kobra sight. It's pretty famous in every game. It's built in a very weird way and kind of hard to explain. But yeah, it looks pretty decent, I think. It has all the edges. It has a fixed mount to it, so you can just pop it on there, just like that. And now you have a cool Kobra sight on your AKS74U. But that's not all. I also made a rail for it, and I'll show you that right now. Well, here we have the rail version with Aimpoint T1 on top of it. You can take it off easily, just like that, and then you get just a rail. Can also be mounted with a EOTECH XPS holo side. I'll just pop it on there so you can see how it looks. Just like that. Put the mag in. Or let me get the mag out first. Put on the Aimpoint. Oh, put it on the wrong way. I always break stuff on camera. It's kind of my habit now. That's how I like to do things, I guess. Well, here we have the Aimpoint. Let's see where it mounts, right there. And that's how it looks with the Aimpoint. You can see through. Just an opening right there. Then the gun is completely field strippable, just like the real steel version, and I'll show you that right now. Well, to field strip this gun, first you got to make sure it's not loaded or anything, or the chamber is empty. Well, it is. First you put up the cover, just like that. As you can see, the cover lifts up a little bit. You can take out the spring. Again, breaking it. There you can see the springs and the guide rod. You can take the whole bolt out, just like that. You can take off the hand guards as well. First, let me take off the top cover. As you can see, the top cover is completely built upside down with those boat slopes or pieces. I don't know what I should call them. They came in those early boat sets. You can see the side aperture as well, with that minifig accessory thing with a stud with a hole in it, and it makes for a pretty nice aperture. Well, you can see the bolt. I know there's should be a piston in front of it, but I really didn't have much room left for the bolt to go into. Maybe in a future build I can incorporate that, but for now it's not there. Here you can see the firing mechanism. Now the hammer is up, and when I put it down, you can when you push the trigger or press the trigger, the hammer will go forward. Magazine release right there. Folding mechanism right here. When I push this in, you can just fold the stock like that and fold it back in. Just like that. And to lock it, just slide this Technic brick piece. Handguards. Handguards go off as well. Just like that. It's the handguard, lower handguard, upper handguard. Fit together pretty nice. Now we just have the barrel and a gas tube left, and now it's just easy to take the gas tube off. And that's what I mean by not having enough room for a complete piston to go into. And to rebuild the gun, just reverse all the steps. Start with gas tube. Take the tactical rail, slide this in first, like that. Now the top part. Put the bolt back in. Something wrong with the piston, not the gas tube, I'm sorry. Alright, just like that. It's better. And now you have almost completed the field strip or assembly. Take the cover, slide it up, lock it into place. There you go. Make it a kind of tactical AKS74U. Little grip on the front, right there. Insert the mag. There you go. Tactical AKS74U. And for the magazine, there's a pretty cool mechanism inside. As you see, it's there's a rubber band inside there, keeping it all together. And I have hidden the rubber band behind the plates. As you see, it's right there. So yeah. Now you know how I make a sturdy magazine with texture on the side. And that's about it. Go hit that subscribe button and like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Share it with your grandmother and everything else. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.